Stick around because we're going to show you how we attempt to repair this damage with a suction cup. Okay, we've got our suction cup in place, but before we make our first pull on this damage, I want to be sure that everybody understands that I am actually a paintless dent repair technician, and this is kind of an educational video just to show you, yes, suction cups do have an effect on panels and they can remove some damage, as you're seeing here. We did pull some of the damage out, but ultimately you're going to be left with a bunch of distortion on the panel. This is such a nice vehicle. You want to make sure that you hire a technician that's skilled, that can repair these types of damage without having to refinish your vehicle. So we can do this literally in your garage, at your home, in a matter of hours, and we can keep the original paint intact, not affecting the vehicle in any way. So you can see here, this was an actual video that a customer sent me of their brand new Volkswagen Atlas. Literally had I think roughly about 500 miles on this when this occurred, unfortunately. But he did send me that video, and he also sent me this video a couple months later, actually. And this is an attempted repair gone wrong. The dealership actually did that and thought they were doing him a favor, but they had me come in, I reworked the damage, and this is the end result. Came out great. Here's another really high-end car here. This is actually an Audi e-tron, and super high dollar car. Customer could not wait to get this repaired. Unfortunately, I had him on the schedule, and one of his buddies actually came in and put a suction cup on it and did pull some of the damage out. Actually, it looks a little bit better, I guess you could say, but ultimately this is a really nice vehicle. You want to make sure you hire a professional, somebody that's skilled, that's been doing this a really long time, and can ultimately make this damage disappear without having to do any kind of painting or body work on this beautiful vehicle, and keeping it all original. You can see we've got some work to do. We're accessing the dent from the back side of the panel through the tail lamp assembly holes that were in place there. So we don't drill any holes, keeping this vehicle in its original factory condition. You can see the metal kind of moving there in the light. And here's the end result. Came out fantastic. Customer was really happy that they didn't have to bring this to a shop and have it repainted, because you can imagine, respraying this brand new vehicle just wouldn't be the same in the end. We can achieve a factory finish like you're seeing here. There's zero distortion in the panel, and we had a really super happy customer in the end on this one. So do yourself a favor, don't do yourself a disservice by trying to attempt these repairs on your own. Hire a skilled professional. Thanks for watching, guys.